Get out on the lake, let's go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
So, lifers, we're finna start some seeds. I got it's by OINO off of, y'all know, Amazon. It's a kind of like a mini greenhouse. Y'all see when I bring y'all in there. This is the second time I had to film this intro. This new camera might kick my butt eventually, guys. But hope y'all enjoy the video. Hope y'all enjoy the quality. It's getting a little better. I'm gonna work on the audio next, but hope y'all enjoy it all. Somebody said you didn't need a new camera, but I've been enjoying it so far. Other than having to redo intros. Alright, I hope y'all like what we finna do. Alright, first we're gonna put these pretty much peat moss pellets in the trays. Then we're supposed to add water to them, like 3 inches. I'll bring you back when I start adding water. Alright, we gotta wait about 30 minutes. It said let them swell all the way up. I hope I added enough water. Instructions are not very good with this product. We'll go from there and wait about 30 minutes and we'll start poking seeds. Like I say, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon probably, cucumber, cucumber, cucumber. And then I'll have to get me some more of these if it works. So, I'm lying. I'll show y'all at a later date. I've got 2 or 3 more trays of this to do, so we'll go from there. Bring y'all back when I start planting. Alright. We got these Carolina Cross. They're supposed to grow 200-pound watermelons. That's going to be the first ones we're going to start. Let's see. Watermelon Carolina Cross. Botanical name. Germination 84%. Germination test state 922. Blah, blah, blah. So you're not even going to get 100% germination. They're telling you. It's a hybrid watermelon. 10 seeds was like $5. Where I look at the camera. Right there. Focus you. I say don't focus. Alright. So go with them. I know I'm making a terrible shadow and the lighting's doo-doo right here, but it's raining outside, y'all. It didn't get going early enough. The house is starting to wake up.
Harley, get ready to go.
Alright, we got all the watermelon seeds planted. There's only supposed to be 10. There's a few more in there. Got 12 planted. Now we're finna do these. These are the ones I've been the most excited about. If I don't rip the package, I'll tell you what they're called. They're David seeds. They're cucumber, pickling salt, and pepper. No GMO, open pollinator. We're finna plant them. I won't force y'all to watch this, because you can harvest these in 49 days. So. We're gonna plant 12 of them in here too. And I will update the video as things are going. Let y'all know if it works or not. I won't do y'all like I did y'all on the incubator. The incubator plumb pissed me off. So. I know Lou and them are going to watch this and see everything I did wrong and let me know. I'll bring y'all back when I get it finished putting together. Alright, we got it put together. We'll see how it'll go. I'll probably try to update it every other week or so. I really don't know anything about it, didn't have any instructions. I'm just going to add water when I think I need to add water. Probably about once a week. I'll bring y'all along as it goes. We'll figure it out as it goes. If y'all like this video, if y'all want to see more stuff like this, like, share, subscribe, and we're gone.
That's instructions up there.